The question says for the redox reaction, this is a redox reaction given here. The correct coefficients of the reactants for the balanced reaction are. Okay. First of all, we can balance the given redox reaction and then we can find out the coefficient. Let's balance the equation. We have permagnetine MnO4, it is minus. Okay. And then we have oxalate and C2O4, it is 2 minus is there. H plus ion is there, it means that reaction is taking place in acidic medium. Okay, so we do not include H plus ion. Later on we can balance oxygen and we can attach water molecule. Okay, other side we have Mn2 plus is there and then we have CO2 is there. Okay, water molecule we can balance later. This is the actual equation taking place in acidic medium. We can balance this equation in acidic medium. Now pay attention very carefully. We have oxygen, each oxygen is what, minus 2, 4 2 8, minus charge is there, means Mn is present in plus 7 oxidation number. Okay. In oxalate ion, for the carbon, we can calculate the oxidation number. 4 2 8 minus 2 is there, it will become plus 6. 2 carbon is equal to plus 6, means 1 carbon is equal to plus 3. We can calculate also. 2 carbon, 4 oxygen, each oxygen is what, minus 2 and is equal to overall charge is minus 2. This is polyatomic ion. We have 2 carbon minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Then we got a 2 carbon is equal to minus 2 plus 8. It will give us plus 6. And then carbon is equal to what? Present in plus 3 oxidation numbers. Okay. We got carbon present in plus 3 oxidation numbers. Each carbon. Okay. I mean this is monoatomic ion. The charge of monoatomic ion is equal to its oxidation number. For carbon we can calculate. Oxygen is what, minus 2. There are 2 oxygen. Overall charge is what, minus 4. Then carbon will be present in plus 4. Total charge of oxygen will be minus 4. Then carbon will be present in plus 4. Now we can compare the oxidation number and balance the charge. If you compare the oxidation number of manganese, okay, so you can see plus 7 to plus 2 is there. Decrease in oxidation number, always keep in mind, decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction and increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Very interesting. Means manganese is undergoing what? Reduction reaction, decrease in oxidation number. What is the transfer of electron? We have 5 electron. 5 electron. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 electron. Okay. Now we can go for carbon, but you can see in case of carbon you should be a little bit careful, because in this case how many carbon are there? 2 carbon, and in this case how many carbon? Only 1 carbon. So always balance the number of atoms before balancing the charge. 2 carbon, only 1 carbon multiplied by 2. Okay, that's it. 1 carbon is plus 3, then 2 carbon will be multiplied by 2 is equal to plus 6 is there. 2 carbon is present in plus 6 oxidation number. You can see 2 carbon is equal to plus 6. Then other side, 1 carbon is plus 4, then 2 carbon will be present in plus 8 oxidation numbers. Okay. Now we can find the difference in oxidation number. Difference in oxidation numbers. So in difference we always subtract a small value from the large value. 6 and it is 8. Increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. So you can see oxalate ion is undergoing what? Oxidation, and this permanganate ion is undergoing what? Reduction reaction. Okay. In this case 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 electron are there. Now we can balance the charge. We can crisscross this value multiplied by 2. So 2 will come here also, 2 will come here also. Interesting. Now we can multiply by 5. So 5 will come here also, and 5 2 is 10. It will become 10. So let me clear it. It will become 10. So here we have 10 CO2 are there. Okay. Charge is balance. Charge is balance. If you want to remove this portion, you can remove it. We can remove this portion. It is not required anymore. Okay, we can remove this portion. We remove this portion. It is not required anymore. Okay. Sorry. Then we have remove it. This portion is removed. Okay. Correct. Let me remove this one also. Okay. Now we can balance oxygen as well as hydrogen. Keep in mind we have to balance this equation in acidic medium. So on the left side, how many total number of oxygen are there? Calculate. 4 2 ja 8 oxygen, 5 4 ja 20 is there. Total number of oxygen will be what? 28 on the left side, other side. 10 2 ja 20 is there, 20 oxygen. Okay, so you can see we are running short of 8 oxygen on the right side. To balance the number of oxygen, we can take help of water molecule. How many water molecule we can attach? 8 water molecule equal to the number of oxygen atom. Okay, so now you can see number of oxygen atoms are balanced. Now we can balance hydrogen, sorry. So in this case you can see how many hydrogen are there? 8 to the 16. To balance a hydrogen we always take help of H plus sign. So H plus sign, how many hydrogen? 8 to the 16, we can attach 16 H plus. Equation is balanced in which medium? Acidic medium, because H plus ion is present. Now we can find out the coefficient on the reactant side. Pay attention here. First one is magnet ion, permanganate ion, 2 is there. Anywhere 2, we are getting 2 in the A option and D option. Next, then we have oxalate ion, this is what 5. We are getting 5 only in A option. And then H plus ion, how many? 16. Here we got 16, means option A is correct.